Marble, a timeless symbol of elegance and refinement, shapes the world's architectural landscape. For centuries, marbles have adorned our historical architects like buildings, skyscrapers, and sculptures, adding a touch of luxury and elegance. From grand palaces to modern homes and kitchen countertops to office interiors, its timeless appeal enhances the beauty of our surroundings. With marble becoming more popular for both residential and commercial purposes, the manufacturing sectors experience a surge in demand. Types of global stone manufacturing industries include sandstone industry, marble industry, tiles industry, granite industry, limestone industry. The global marble market was valued at $57 to $70 million in 2020 and it is expected to reach $709 to $0 million by the end of 2027, growing at a CAGR of 3.1% during 2021 to 2027. This industry has been growing tremendously worldwide, generating many opportunities for manufacturers to expand their manufacturing and production scale globally. Marble manufacturing business adding a great value to the world's economy with the increasing demand worldwide. The global marble, tiles, granite, slate, sandstone, and limestone industries face many challenges that make it difficult to achieve production efficiency, business profit, and industry growth. Pacific Engineered Surfaces Private Limited, one of the top marble manufacturing companies in India, faced these challenges in meeting the increasing global demand for marble in residential and commercial spaces. Common challenges faced by Pacific Engineered Surfaces Private Limited. Before ERP Next software implementation. Common challenges: data management, non-customization, no vendor ownership, third-party integration, lead management, manual data handling, Google Sheet integration, multiple invoice management. That's where Nestabird stepped in to offer them ERP Next, the best open-source cloud ERP solution. The solution collaboration with Nestabird. Nestabird, the leading ERP company in North India, collaborated with Pacific Engineered Surfaces Private Limited, offering a customized ERP Next manufacturing solution for their marble industry. Streamlining the large-scale production with ERP Next manufacturing software, the best ERP software for the marble industry. Helping Pacific Engineered Surfaces Private Limited achieve up to 100% workflow efficiency with production planning, transparent operations, finance management, stock evaluation, large production rate, inventory control, resource management, advanced data handling, increased product sales, supply chain management. That's the power of ERP Next manufacturing solution for marble industry. Step into the fast world where marble manufacturing and production is seamless and productive. Features of ERP Next manufacturing software for marble industry. Features: sales order, sales and CRM, production planning, finance management, credit and payment records, credit limit management, supply chain management, customized reporting system, HR and payroll, quality control, employee training, inventory management, customization, alert management, account management, bank guarantee management. Client site visit.
Client's testimonial.
Can you please describe your experience with us?
Yeah, thank you for Nashtrapur team, that is Suraj and Abhishek and Arshali. As everything is implemented, first stage is completed, therefore coordination is very nice, everything is okay.
How was your experience with Nashtrapur throughout the next implementation?
It was great. It was good to work with Nestabird. Harshdeep, Abhishek, and Suraj all have contributed a lot, and we have been able to complete our training sessions and the implementation of the software in our organization. And we are looking forward to go ahead with our your other solutions for our other companies as well.
How can Nestabird help your marble industry with customized ERP software implementation? Nestabird is one of the best ERP companies in North India. We have a track record of 200 plus successful implementations, 1000 plus global happy clients. What makes us unique in the world of ERP? 100 plus certified developers, 24*7 technical support, fast implementation, affordable services, FRAPI certified consultants, free live demo, free business consultation. If you are looking for a customized ERP manufacturing software for your marble industry, feel free to contact Nestabird today. Thank you.